In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see quoique. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So this lesson is about quoique. And the conjunction quoique can be translated into various ways in English, including although, though, whatever, even though, and while. So we will see a few examples with quoique. Quoi que tu puisses dire, je continuerai. Quoi que tu puisses dire, je continuerai. Elle continue à sourire, quoi que nous lui disions. Elle continue à sourire, quoi que nous lui disions. Quoi que les gens pensent, je ferai ce que je veux de ma vie. Quoi que les gens pensent, je ferai ce que je veux de ma vie. Quoi que tu aies raison sur certains points, je ne suis pas d'accord en général. Quoi que tu aies raison sur certains points, je ne suis pas d'accord en général.